Hi everybody, it's JerdyX. I'm going to show you guys how to do the how to decode CW on a Malachite DSP SDR receiver. Very simple. All you got to do is push the mode button, push decoder, yes, set up your min SNR to 20 or 25, roughly around there. If you're in lower sideband, set it to the lower sideband and click mode again. It'll start decoding. Very simple. Try to keep the signal to narrow, the FLT narrow. Leave the AGC at 30. Let's turn the volume up here. Until the guy comes back. Let's go to a different station here. If you want to change the zoom, you just swipe the screen. There we go. 1 times. It's finicky sometimes. 2 times. And 4 times. Go back on the signal here. Try to get a signal that doesn't have any RF noise. If you have RF noise, it'll make it harder to decode. The decoder is very sensitive. While you're waiting too, you can change the time. Just push the hard button a few seconds. Use the volume knob to change the date. Well, the first one's the month. That's the day. That's the year. You change the time. It's 18. 17. Today's what, the 22nd? Must be the month. This is the day selection. Here's your month. Here's your year. Change the time, hour, second, or minute. Sorry. And when you're all done, just push it for a few seconds, and you're good to go. Yeah, sometimes if you have an adjacent station that's nearby, what you can do is go into mode, change it to USB, and you can still decode it. Especially if there's a CW contest or whatever, and there's a huge pileup, you can do that. This method will work. Yeah, the decoder will work with the noise reduction on or off. Doesn't matter. When you see this little light flashing, the little bar flashing, that means the decoder is decoding. If you want to change the audio for the speaker or headphone, you just push right here for a couple seconds and the little head set will light up so you can use the headphones. If you guys have any questions to ask me, just put in the comments and I'll try and answer as best I can. If you don't know how to do it or whatever. Pretty straightforward. It's not that complicated. Well, that's it for this tutorial. If you guys like my channel, please like and subscribe. I'll try and make more videos on this. If you want more videos, just let me know and I can make some more tutorial videos to help you guys out. Alright, have a great day and keep on DXing.